Last month, I received checks from 14 different companies totaling over $4,000. Tapping away at my keyboard while watching television. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do it right now. Imagine waking up to find your mailbox stuffed with checks from companies all over the world, paying you between $50 to over $500 each that you can cash in your bank account right now for spending just a couple of extra hours surfing the internet. Now, if you're thinking this sounds too good to be true, believe me, you're not alone. The first time I heard about it, I wrote it off as a scam too. After all, I'd already spent
every year just to figure out what you, the consumer, are thinking. This is called market research, and it helps them make future choices on products, advertising campaigns, and more. When you give them your opinion, you are helping them grow their million-dollar businesses even larger. And they are more than willing to pay you handsomely for this. You will be completing surveys, participating in online focus groups, and more. This could be the easiest money you will ever make, and this opportunity is available to anybody